Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how to install Brave browser on your Ubuntu 24. So let's say just type Brave download. Now click on the first link which is Brave browser. Okay. Now from here click on get Brave in Linux. Now from here little bit scroll down, you can see this is the command. So just copy all this command. Okay. Now copy, open your terminal and here just paste this command and hit enter. Now provide your super user password and hit enter. Sorry, I think I wrong my password. So as you can see, it started installing the Brave browser. Alright, hit Y and hit enter, and as you can see it started installing the Brave browser from its repository. I will pause the video. So guys, you can see the Brave browser has been successfully downloaded in your system and it installing. Alright, so as you can see it successfully installed in our system. If I go here, you can see this is the Brave browser. So this is the Brave browser. I will leave all the settings as it is and let's close this browser and go to the menu and click on pin to dock. Now click on the Brave browser again. Now go to your settings. Now from here you can see this is the search engine, and from here change it to Google. Okay, and in the private mode again change to Google. So I think everything is clear right now. Thank you guys for watching this video.